Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles with juice. First, select your preferred juice, whether it's orange, apple, or a tropical blend. You'll also need a set of popsicle molds and some popsicle sticks. For an extra treat, prepare small pieces of fruit like berries or kiwi to mix in. This simple preparation ensures you have everything ready for a fun and tasty project. Now, let's get to the fun part, filling the molds. Carefully pour your juice into each mold, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. If you're adding fruit pieces, drop them in before or after the juice. Then, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Make sure the sticks are straight for easy handling later. Patience is key for perfectly frozen popsicles. Place your filled molds in the freezer and allow them to freeze for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. For best results, an overnight freeze is often ideal. If you're in a hurry, smaller molds will freeze more quickly. Make sure your freezer is set to a consistent cold temperature to prevent partial freezing. Once your popsicles are completely frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily remove a popsicle, run the mold under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps loosen the edges without melting the entire treat. Then, gently pull the stick, and your delicious, homemade juice popsicle is ready to be savored. Enjoy your refreshing creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.